It's me, Googoopie! Let's learn about the animals and their colors. Wow! That iguana looks so cool. Iguana starts with letter I. Can you say iguana? Great job! What color is the iguana? Yes, it is the color green. Remember, it's iguana. See you in another video. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe.